Authentic Assessment Design, Course Grade 11, 21st Century Literature. Learning competency, analyze a literary text, and produce a creative output that reflects understanding of its theme, context, and relevance to contemporary issues. Title of the task, Literature in Action, Digital Advocacy Campaign. Number 1, context of the task, real-world situation. Students will act as youth advocates tasked to create a digital awareness campaign like what influencers and advocacy groups do on social media. For example, sharing things or commenting to the issue or to the current issue of the country, which is the Philippines, and to the world. And the second is they must connect the text theme, example, identity and equality, mental health, social justice, migrations, and of course, environment to a present day issue to their community. This mirror real world tasks such as content creations, advocacy campaigning, public awareness initiatives, media communications. Part 2, target learners. Grade 11 senior high school students age 16 to 17. Subject 21st century literature from the Philippines and the world. Part 3, learning objectives. At the end of the task, students will be able to analyze the theme and message of a 21st century literary text, relate literature to real-life social issues, create a digital advocacy product using critical and creative thinking. So, create a digital advocacy using the digital platforms such as social media by using critical and creative thinking or on answering issues to present. For example, like our politics, issues in our politics, they should know how to share learnings or ideas about the politics issue nowadays. And part 4, task description. Students will choose one assigned literary text. Identify its central theme, connect the theme to a current real-world issue. For example, theme. So, what is the theme? It is the central or the core parts of a poetry, or for example, or an issue or a story. That is a theme. For example, and identify the central theme. So, like what I've said, and connect the theme to a current real-world issues. Create one of the following. So, this is what we call social media campaign. For example, 5 to 8 posts with captions related to the issue, current issues of the country and the world. What is the issue relevant? How the literary text supports the advocacy. Why their output is effective for the target audiences. So, who is the target? The people of the Philippines, and not only the Filipinos but also the people to the world. Number 5, expected output. So, we are talking about digital advocacy materials. For example, it's an oral presentation like video, like what I'm doing right now. For example, 3 to 5 minutes oral presentations, short written, rationable, 300 to 500 words. So written, they can do also written, and of course analytic rubric, which is detailed, total 100 points. We have the criteria, excellent 4, proficient 3 points, developing 2, and beginning 1 points. And understanding of literacy text 25 points. So, and so far so on. And of course we have this why this is authentic. So number 1 is students perform a real world task, digital advocacy. So that's what I'm talking about. Number 2, we have requires application, not memorization. So what I'm doing right now, I'm reading the situation, the issue, but I tried to share detailed. And number 3, we have it involves critical thinking and creativity. So critical thinking, you should know how to think fast, and of course creative. You must be creative in answering those issues in the Philippines. And mirrors real life media production in social engagement. So it is the same. And the last one, assessed higher old skills, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. So that's all for today. Thank you so much and God bless.